Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, in this video, I will tell you about 3 points. First, I will tell you the name of a tool by which you can create unlimited Gmail account. And the secondly, I will tell you a method by which you can create limited Gmail account. And the third point that I will request you people to listen at disadvantages of unlimited Gmail account. Dear viewers, in the previous video, that were released in Urdu Hindi version, uh, and the topic was unlimited Gmail account. I told you people that all the tricks that are floating on YouTube about the unlimited Gmail account are all fake. So most of the people are still commenting that please tell us the name of a tool that can create unlimited Gmail account. So dear viewer, in this video I will tell you the name of that tool, and by this tool there are two methods for using this tool. Dear viewers, I can challenge, as I said in previous videos or video on this topic, unlimited Gmail account. I can still challenge that all the methods of creating unlimited Gmail account are fake. Dear viewers, by these two method, by method number one, you can create unlimited Gmail account, and by method number two, you can create limited Gmail account. Now it is up to you that which method you follow. So method number one, the name of that tool is the name of that tool is PVA creator. So you can use this tool by two method. First, open the Google and download its crack version. I do not know in which country you are using this practice, but it may be happen that in some country you will not be able to download this tool. You may see on the screen here I can download this tool by using this method. So after downloading this tool I can create unlimited Gmail account. This tool will create Gmail ID against a single phone. Every time this tool will change the phone number. So dear viewer, if you are unable to download this tool, you may use the website of this PV creator, which is displaying on the screen. From here you can also request for purchasing of this tool. If you do not want to purchase this tool, so you may request whatever you number of account you want, email ID of you people, and then request them how many Gmail account you want. So submit them. They will ask you to pay money for this request. After that they will send you 50, 100, 200 Gmail account on the written Gmail account. Method which is floating on the YouTube is which is displaying also on my screen. This is not for unlimited Gmail account. By this method, against each mobile SIM, you can create up to 20 Gmail account. But remember, after creating each Gmail account, you will have to delete the mobile number which you have mentioned in your Gmail account. So by using this, you will be able to create 15 or 20 Gmail accounts against each SIM. If you want to create more than 20 Gmail account, then you will have to change the SIM. Then you will have to change the mobile SIM. Against single SIM, you can create only 15 or 20 Gmail account. But remember, for each Gmail account, you will have to delete the mobile number which you have mentioned in your Gmail account. So by using this, you will be able to create limited Gmail account. Dear viewers, at the end, I have some queries. Some disadvantages of these two methods. I will, dear viewers, at the end, I have some queries. I would like to ask some question from you people. I do not know why these practice is more floating on YouTube. Even if you are able to create unlimited Gmail account, I believe you will be able to get permanent subscriber. But what will do those subscriber? Think about this. Those subscriber will not be able to view your video. Those subscriber will not give you a watch time. So those subscriber will be dead. I do not know why this practice is doing more and more. Can anyone send me a question about this if I am wrong? So I will solve I will solve his problem. I can challenge. I will solve his problem. So dear viewers, this is all about the unlimited Gmail account. If from you people know much more about this, he can ask me in comment. I will solve his query. So dear viewer, how was my this video? Please comment on this. See you with the next video. Pakistan Zindabad.